I'm currently looking at EURJPY here. I'm waiting for price to break this resistance zone here, and we can see we absolutely in consolidation, but this thing is really looking like it's gonna break and close above this resistance zone here. So if it breaks and closes above this resistance zone, then I'm probably going to wait for a break and retest, and then I'm going to take a buy position. And then I have my TP right here. I also have TP here, and I have another TP here at the top as well. But I'm absolutely gonna be trailing my stop loss as well once I'm in profit, probably like 20 pips in profit. Probably also take partial profits, and then I'll just keep trailing my stop loss from there. And I'm looking to get in on this in the 1 hour time frame. So this is currently ranging, so I'm only looking to take buys. And as you guys can see, there's absolutely no reason at all for me to be taking sales at the moment. So I'm currently looking for buys on EURJPY.